Click on Username. Then select User Pass Auth. The country takes India as an example and chooses the sticky IP model. Time is optional. Copy the proxy host, username, and password here. Open Morelogin browser. Click on New Profile. Click Proxy under Advanced Create. Select SOCKS as proxy type. Copy the proxy host, port, account, and password in Lunaproxy. Then click Detect Proxy. Click OK after successful detection. A new server is successfully generated. Click Start. The IP address has been successfully transferred to India.